3, almost 4 last night.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey. Whoa.
Now 35.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
We're gonna go up to the room. And yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all the plan for today. Hey y'all. So, while I'm getting ready, I'm going to kind of explain my channel. I'm not really gonna do much right now because I am coming back and changing, so I'm not gonna put no gel on my hair or nothing because we're gonna be washing cars, and if it get wet, that's just, and I'm almost out of gel. So, but anyways, so I'm Carly. As most of y'all already know me. I also go by Carly Red, or just Red, double the Y, double the D. Most of y'all see my tutorial, well, not tutorials, but my videos from TikTok, and that's really what shocked, like, not really, because I've been wanting to start YouTube since I was little. I just never knew like how to go about it, and plus my social medias was never like big, so like I didn't really get any followers. But now, as I'm getting older, I'm getting new people, I'm getting more known, so my social medias are way bigger. Like my Instagram, I have 1K followers, and then my TikTok, I have 900, almost 1K, which go make that the goal for my TikTok. But yeah, so really, I'm gonna do a video, a real introduction video. After this one, I'm gonna ask the people on my Instagram to ask me questions about what they want to know about me, and then I'll probably record that on Sunday. But let me tell y'all the plans for today. So I got my palm car wash, and it's from 10 to 1. It is 9:53. Oops. But it's from 10 to 1. I knew I was gonna be late. And then after that, I gotta come back home. Then I'm going to my sister's house around 1-ish, so we could go to her little brother's birthday. And then after that, we're going to the rodeo. And rodeo starts at 7:30. And y'all, if y'all hear that doggy back, that's my baby Lexi. We love Lexi. We're gonna feature Lexi more. Y'all gonna see Lexi more. But it's gonna be so hot outside, y'all. I really don't want to be out there, but I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little outfit change. Okay, Lexi, I see y'all after I get ready. Say hi to my vlog. It's my sister, y'all. She gotta go to her car wash. I'm late too. Mine started at 10. Yeah, I'm late, y'all. I woke up at 9:30. Right, in my vlog. Anyways, she gotta go to hers. I gotta go to mine. In the sun all day, y'all. When I get in the sun all day, I get overheated and my nose starts bleeding. Like really, like it don't stop. Like for a cool little minute. So I gotta drink a lot of water today. Y'all, it is so hot out here. I had to go get me a water because you see how crisp it look. I'm still under the little audio song because baby, it's hot. And I got slime between my legs. I have to take a break. I was in the sun too long. We had no cars. Got about 5 honks. That's it. 20 stairs, 3 ways, no cars. Seriously. I'm gonna show y'all what my sign said because I don't think I showed y'all. I really do. Too hot, y'all. Y'all think they can see me right here?
Don't. That's what's crazy. I immediately.
Won't fail. If you believe it, you don't fall.
Okay, hey y'all. So So I'm gonna update y'all. I just got back from the car wash. I look like I got, anyways, I just came back from the car wash. Let me tell y'all how that was. Baby, it was hot. I was ready to go, and we didn't even end that one well. I didn't leave at 1. I left at 12:20 something, I think, or 12:30, 40. One of those. Left around one of those times because they was talking about some. We ended it early or whatever. So I took it upon myself and I called my peoples because it was too hot. I was ready to go home. I was hungry, all that above, and yeah. But update, we're not going to the birthday party no more, but we're still going to the rodeo. And it is 110. Oh, not 110. It's 101, not 110. My fault, y'all. It's 101. We're probably leaving around 5. I don't know. I gotta double check and ask, but now. Oh, let me tell y'all about that. That Grimace. Did I say the name right? I don't know. That meal from McDonald's, his birthday meal, bro. That shake, bomb. It tastes like, if you ever been to Brahms. I know it's only in Oklahoma, and like it's one in Texas, I believe. But if you ever been to Oklahoma, it tastes like the Brahms birthday cake shake. It is so bomb. Like, yeah. That's all for right now, and I'll see y'all when I am getting ready for the rodeo. Hey y'all, welcome back. So now we getting ready for real. Oh, y'all, this is Lexi. Okay. Anyways, y'all, we gonna speed up this process, of course. So
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall, that ass is still amazing.
Faith just lost her man, y'all.
And
This the purse I'm gonna wear with it. But I'm not gonna do that. Y'all, but leaving at in an hour. That's what I'm gonna say. It's 4:30 right now. Let me 4:29, but 4:30, same thing. Ooh, Faith thinks she grown, y'all. Look at Faith fit, y'all.
Do you think me and my man is done?
Yeah, her man is done for real, cause she gonna laugh at his face like something was funny. I told her to stop playing with him. She just don't listen. She's so hard-headed. That's why she can't be a part of my vlog. Y'all see how she talks so much? Like, shut up. This ain't about you. Anyways, y'all, let me show y'all the necklaces I'm gonna wear. Kisses. It says spoiled. Real cute, real cute. Hey. Oh, we gonna be back when I'm with Faith in person.
I wanna all night.
Hey y'all.
Hey vlog.
Hey vlog. So
Show the fit, show the fit.
hey, fit check. So much make your sweat. Ooh. So we here.
Looking for the hoe.
Just playing. I swear.
Niggas got on sandals. Are we for real, brother? Ooh. Like, they really piss me off. Like, I just get so disgusted seeing people's faces.
Okay, Faith. That's how Faith is feeling today, y'all.
Put you to the hoes on the vlog.
Tell me how tall you is. Tell me how tall you is. 6'10". Ah, 6'10". Alright, he a light skin. He got curly hair. It's just dead right now. Cause you know he keep his hair dead, right? You better, he be having heck of girls, so y'all better tap in with my
He's a
boy.
cowboy.
Right,
Show the fit.
Dang, he getting dark.
Yeah, he really in the winter.
Oh, and he hoop. We forgot the most important part. He hoop.
Okay.
Come on.
With your vlog family friendly
Lock
or some
in.
shit?
Yes, family friendly.
Family
Lock
friendly
in.
ass vlog. Alright, chill out.
Know the connections.
I can't get out.
Oh yeah, he loyal, y'all. You gotta tell the host about yourself. How tall are you?
5'10".
And you're going D1?
Yeah, Yeah, they all hoop, y'all.
Number 27 for the Carly. Carly's gonna get copyrighted.
I don't owe the copyright to any of this music. Not if they said it. They dap.
Follow me.
Let me tell y'all, but me and Faith almost got ran over by a horse.
Yeah.
Because we didn't know which way we was going.
And we just exploring now.
We almost got ran over again.
Last time nigga try to make his horse go faster. Go up, dude. This supposed to be her vlog, but vlog takeover. If your nigga's at this rodeo, trust me, he's not cheating on you. Okay. Alright, bye vlog. And hold on, you gotta hit it out.
Y'all, let me hold on. Hey y'all. So we just got off this question.
Hey, chat.
Wait, that's mine.
Okay.
Who's one? Mine. So y'all, they talking about going to eat at Waffle House. Damn, what is her issue?
Anyways, are you done? Okay.
It's hot out here, y'all. I'm sweating my eggs out. And I don't know what we're gonna do, but all these eyes keep looking at us. But right there, y'all.
Yeah.
We gotta go.
Oh.
Hey, y'all. The lighting is okay.
Hey, chat. Where's Carly at?
She finna try to Kool-Aid pickle.
Hold
She
on,
just
it's
got.
dirt in my eye.
Boy, they got the nasty pickles.
It's the nasty pickles, but we gonna have to wait till I get myself figured out, cause I got on mascara and then we just got hit with all this dirt. It's
Yes, but we almost got hit by a horse.
too much
Y'all.
going on, like, and it's dark as shit, no lights, and the rodeo ain't even halfway done yet.
Swear, they just got done with Pony Express. Y'all, it is
Barely,
9:17.
They only did 3 races, and it's about like I don't know how many teams.
Bro, my edges sweated out, y'all. No.
And like, I'm pretty sure this shit is nasty, but look, guys, look at this. The presentation, not a great.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It's nasty?
No, it's okay. I mean, it's decent. Hey, vlog.
Hey, y'all. So me and Faye walked to the truck, but we could still see the rodeo from here, I guess.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna.
Y'all, I am just now getting home. It's 3:29 in the morning, y'all. I'm just now getting home. My phone on 6%, but y'all, I'm gonna get in the shower and then I'm gonna call me. Y'all don't need to be on my business about me being home. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired of shipping honey iced tea, y'all. But yeah, let me go get in the shower because baby, I'm